Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So today I'm inspired by Cherry Blossom, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I want to be doing the Cherry Blossom makeup look, and for that I need 3 different eyeshadow palettes because I don't have one eyeshadow palette with all of the colors. And the way I see it in my head, I will be using 3 colors. I guess we can start with the most intense color. So the colors that I think for Cherry Blossom is, first of all, it's on a tree, so they're brown branches. That's how I see it. So we will be using brown. And the flower petals that I like, they're pink, and I will be going extreme pink because I want it to pop and look like a nice makeup look. And then I will add white or silver. I want to see how the makeup look turns out. I think it will be going for white because white is what you would expect from a flower like Cherry Blossom. Is white, pink, and brown. Those are the 3 colors. So the first color I will be going in with is the pink color, and I will be using the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I will be using Venus, which is the very pink right here. And to achieve this makeup look, I will be using a flat brush like so. And for this color, I want to place it in the outer corner of my eye, bringing it just a little bit more than halfway because I want to have this inner corner be white. So I definitely want to, but I want to point it out. I know the petals are round, but I just feel like it would just look a lot better if I point it out rather than round it because of the brown eyeliner that I will be doing. Bring the color to your outer lower lashes as well. Then I just want to slightly diffuse the color, especially underneath, and then just a little bit in the outer corner. Nothing too crazy here because I want the shape to show. So I will be using my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this. Then I will take my Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I will be using this white right here. And for this, I think I will just use my finger. I will see if I will go in with the brush. If I do, it's a small flat brush. I will just use my finger and apply that in the inner corner of my eye. Now I want to go over to the brown, so I will be using a angled brush and a small detailed brush just so that I can get the wing that I want precisely, because I will be using eyeshadow for this. So the last eyeshadow palette, I will be using the Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons. And looking at the makeup look and looking at the colors, let's go with Castle, which is this one right here, because that one reminds me the most of a cherry blossom tree branch. What we want to do is we want to follow the line we already created, and we want to have a half line, which means only until the center of your eye. You don't want to line it all the way. And then I want to be putting on my mascara, and before I do that, I will curl my lashes. Then I will be using my Maybelline the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I only want to put it on my upper lashes, I think, but I'm starting with anyway. I'm not done yet, so I will be putting on my highlighter, and I will be putting it in my inner corner. I would take a small brush like this one, and then I will use my Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and I'm using this one right here. And then I just want to finish this off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution Base Fix setting spray that looks like this. And there you have it, a cherry blossom inspired makeup look. And I absolutely love this for spring and summer. The pop of pink is just perfect, and then the subtle brown eyeliner that makes it more of a natural look than, let's say, using black. And it's just so fun and flirty. And that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!